from AlphaCars. My name is Dan, and today we're checking out this 2018 BMW X1. With just over 15,000 miles, this X1 came to us from the south. Sporting some great features. The X1 offers both convenience of a larger cargo area, but the small stature of a sedan. Checking inside, you'll see the mocha leather interior. Looks fantastic in contrast against the white metallic paint. Rear seat has great legroom. Perfect for a small and growing family. Cargo area. Great for a set of golf clubs, packages, or weekends worth of luggage. This cargo cover divider is removable for taller items, and it is a power trunk as well. This one also has installed the trailer hitch, which allows you to tow Class 2 trailers. Great for weekend getaways with a small camper, pop-up tents, or a utility trailer for a round home. Stepping inside, you'll see the great mocha leather, kind of a dark maroon, and it's in fantastic condition. No major signs of wear on any of the bolsters or seating surfaces. Full power seats, both front and rear, for front passengers and driver. Ample amount of storage space. This X1 is equipped with the convenience package, which includes push-button start, comfort access, keyless entry, power tailgate, a couple other nice features. This one also includes a navigation system and upgraded tires as well, rims and tires. Stepping inside. Yep, just 15,189 miles. Nice drive system with all the features you could ask for. Navigation, connected drive, Sirius XM is available, so you can transfer your subscription over, along with Bluetooth and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This one has heated front seats and a heated steering wheel, automatic wipers and headlights, and a full panoramic sunroof. Stepping back outside, you'll see the white metallic paint has had no previous paintwork. All the body panels are original and factory. Checking out the front, you see that there's hardly any chips. There's one right down here, but it is a very fresh vehicle. It is sporting aftermarket front and rear splash guards, BMW OE style. And it looks fantastic. A wonderful color combination. A perfect compact SUV for the growing family or the college grad. If you have any questions at all about this BMW or any vehicle in our inventory, give us a call, 978-263-9000. Check us out on the web, alphacars.com, or feel free to stop into one of our showrooms. We'd love to see you in person. Have a great rest of your day.